What up, everybody? We're back, and today is an exciting day. We are installing a giant freaking wing on the Supra, and as Corey hair dries the current wing on the Supra. So yeah, so we got to remove the current spoiler, and then we're putting this thing on. Boom! That's right. So we got ourselves the APR performance. Is that right? APR performance, or is it Aero performance? I don't know, whatever. APR. So we got the 67-inch APR wing. It's got the wing canards, or got the wing cards in the box over there, and we're gonna be mounting this thing on there, and we're going full track spec. In addition to this, inside that little white box, we have the Verus Canards for the front, and we're gonna be installing those as well. So lots of cool things going on today. And then while we're doing that, Corey is over here trying to peel off the Rexpeed spoiler. Just use string.
It's getting there. It's getting there.
There's no string involved here, sir.
Yeah.
Need some floss.
Yeah, that's how you cut. That's how you cut 3M tape, with floss. They gave me a string to take off the 3M
I'm sure Lo
tape.
has a little floss pit. He always carries on
The
his
dirty looks that Corey is giving me for suggesting that we use string. Like,
Yeah, because you'll be here for hours.
let's see how it is.
Efficiency.
Yeah.
All right.
Efficiency
And
is
speed.
key when you got a shot.
All right. Well, I have this. Does this help?
This is not Billy Backyard.
That might help.
What? I'll be able to.
This is not Billy's backyard. What were you doing here?
I
You're
know.
from the Midwest.
I
That's
know.
all we know. Whole time here. Like,
That's true. Yeah.
Is it
Hold my hair and
loose?
watch this.
Is it loosening up at all?
Yeah, it is actually.
Oh.
Yeah, look, I picked it up actually.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm just kind of working it.
Just working it.
It's working it.
Just working it slowly.
Yeah. It's working. It's working.
Yeah.
It's working more.
parking brake on?
You moving the car?
Yeah, it's moving the whole car.
Parking brake. Put the parking brake on.
That's all.
Okay.
Oh, it makes a little noise.
Move the hydraulic noise. Part.
It's coming up.
Yeah.
It's gonna take a little bit. You're
All
gonna,
right,
you're gonna
yeah.
burn all your data on your phone.
Damn, Skippy. Let's do it. All right. So the spoiler is off. The Supra's ass is naked once again. It was quite comical. We just literally ripped it off all at once and managed to take some of the paint with it. Like I said we would.
No.
Like I said, it's right where the tape was.
No. Lies.
Yeah.
Lies.
Yeah.
Because this was under the wing.
That's where the tape was, and we just ripped it off with the tape.
It was all heated up.
Anyways, it's a good thing I got a touch-up pen.
This is a rub mark, sir.
No.
This is not.
You're missing his face.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is a rub mark, sir. This is installation area.
Okay, gentlemen, let's move on.
All right. Anyways, let's move
There's a
on.
rub.
All right. So for the next steps, this is the difficult bit. The only difficult bit is, so we have to measure very accurately where we are drilling. So the instructions say we have to go with center line, which we're going to use the emblem for the center line. We will also measure and verify. We have to identify the center, and then from 9 inches from each side of the center, we have to put these. These are the mounting plates for the wing. So those go on. So we measure these out, and these will be 18 inches apart. And then we got to mark the holes and then drill the holes. So now we're going to put the tape on, measure, go from there. And then we do actually have to open up the trunk, and there's a bunch of stuff in there. I didn't realize there's actually some electronics inside the wing. I believe it's the radio antenna. So that's all actually inside the spoiler here, or inside the trunk. There's antennas, and we have to make sure that we don't damage any of those. Otherwise, electronics will stop working. Right, so we have measured, and we are marking. So what we did is we found the center line based off of the emblem and measuring from the edges of the trunk here. So we used the emblem to find our first dot, and then we moved up, and then we made sure that it was even all the way to the lines over there. So that's our center line, and then we drew the lines for the mounts, 9 inches apart, 18 inches total, and then Kira, you didn't do the dots right here. You need to do the dots right here. So now we got the drill dots marked in, and then we got to do a drill dot here. So. The world is watching, Kira. You got to do this perfect.
Well,
Oh, it moved.
the Sharpie's not long enough.
No, that's a common problem.
I need I know this is your shop, Corey, but I need something longer than this.
Oh, the Asian guy is inadequate.
Performance issues.
It's performance.
Performance issues.
Oh man.
It's really not.
It's not
there.
going
Do
in
you
there.
have a pen
Yeah.
or something?
You might have to get a pen.
We got all the holes marked, so now it is on to the next step, and that is to remove plastic. That's right. We gotta take these little plastic covers off. I'm gonna hit this thing with a little Torx bit, take that off. We gotta take off the little emergency release hammer, and then we gotta wrench on this as hard as we can. Pull it down. We gotta take the antennas out. So we got the panel off. So here's the two modules. We gotta get these out of the way, so that way they don't get destroyed as we drill. What? What's this? This is BMW. This isn't a BMW, it's Toyota. What the heck? Oh no. All right, so return it. False advertising. I did not know this car was a BMW. I thought it was a Toyota. Okay, so well, I gotta figure out how to disconnect those and start drilling. Okay, so we have the holes drilled. So now we gotta take the tape off, and we gotta take the silicone, and we gotta seal around the holes. This was actually included in the kit, which is kind of nice. So we gotta seal around the holes from the top and the bottom, and then these bolts and the plates will come up from the bottom, and then they'll go through, and they'll screw into this like that, and it'll sandwich, and it should look amazing. So we're gonna do that now. All right, boys, there she is in all her glory. The APR wing installed. We did have to do some minor tweaks and adjustments for these screws right here. Had to drill in a little bit more in order to get them to fit, but it's on there tight. I opted for the middle setting, middle, for right now. Got the wing cards on, and she is looking mint. So now we are moving to the next phase, is the canards. So Kira's here mounting the template of where the canards go, and these are canards. So these drive planes will go 3M taped onto the front fender. We just got to make sure that they're perfectly even on both sides so it doesn't look silly. So we're making sure that's good. And now I was debating on drilling these, but I'm a little worried about drilling it because the front bumper material is very thin. It's FRP, and I'm worried that it might tear through if we drilled. I mean, we're gonna put the 3M tape on anyways. So we'll 3M tape it on for now. We'll see how well they hold. We'll see if there's any problems there, and go from there. And if it's wrong, then we'll drill these and drill them in and figure it out. We are rewrapping the car at some point, so these are gonna have to come off anyways when we rewrap. So we'll figure it out from there. Let's get these stuck.
So either it lines up with, like it sticks out just a tad on the top, but if you even it down, then it doesn't fit on the lights.
Is this where we want it?
So
This is what we're doing. We're sticking it right here,
yeah,
right?
how much? Yeah.
We good?
Yep. Now I'll just make the other side just.
Verus left me a little red tab, but I can't. Come on. Get off there.
You can do it. You can't do it.
Ah, hey, this one went off. Ah, I don't know what was that edge. Is this the right one? Shit. Yes.
Yeah.
Wait. Oh, shit. Well, they're on there.
On like Donkey Kong.
And like the Flynn. Oh. Trying to preserve the template, but it tore. Oh well. I remount them. We're just gonna have to figure it out.
Nice. You can't salvage that?
Well, I mean we could, but
Probably get another one just
yeah, I could probably just have me email it.
What are you so worried about? Focus. Focus.
You know, these actually look like your eyelashes, you know? You know what I mean? Got a girl car.
All right, all the men stand around and watch the woman work. It's not toxic masculinity, it's empowering women.
There you go.
I didn't peel the thingy off on that one. Other side.
Okay, I took my nails off for
Here,
this.
here. Other side has the tabby.
Oh.
It was today.
Yeah.
It wasn't even.
Yeah.
All right, guys, that's it. So we got the canards on and the wing is on. I think it looks pretty sick. Looks way more aggressive. Can't wait for the rest of this car to get finished. I'm looking forward to the rest of the Sibon stuff finally getting here. Hopefully soon, but I'm expecting bad news always. So, but I was really surprised. The wing, I didn't even know that the wing was going to be here. They said it was going to be here on the date, and it was there. I was shocked. I didn't expect that at all. I expected to get an email saying it was delayed again, but it's here. Canards are on. It looks sick. Ready to hit up the track. So looking forward to taking it out on the street and going and do some stuff. Except for gas prices. $10 a gallon for 100 octane is fun. So well, just have to deal with it. But yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And as always, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, and I hope you have a good day.